Sono 58 minuti, 44 chilometri.
Sì, mi porto 50 minuti di strada attualmente. Allora, vai piano, non solo, per andare pratico quindi.
No, vai piano che non è una storia di consente, anche perché qui
Andiamo, dai, scendiamo e andiamo a prendere allora andiamo a prendere il distributore e poi chiediamo se a
facciamo 8 accesi a me.
So hello and Kalimera. Welcome to another beautiful and very peaceful Greek village, Koskinou. I just arrived from Rhodes town and this is one very nice, very small, picturesque and colorful village. So let's explore that. It is very, very peaceful here, not too many tourists, and this is some kind of real hidden gem in Rhodes. Probably during the mid-season there is a more tourist here and probably more popular, but now in mid of June, just perfect, peaceful, colorful Greek village, only about 4 miles from Rhodes town. there is a direct bus line between Rhodes and Koskinú, but Koskinú residence, but I decide to go with bus to Faliraki, and I go out near Kallithea spring and decide to go walk. It was pretty short, about 2 kilometers, but completely uphill, and during the summer that was not too much good idea. Basically it was bad idea, but from main bus station in Rhodes town you can find line, I think 3A. It's a direct bus from Rhodes town main station to Koskinú. So if you want to enjoy this colorful and very peaceful Rhodes small village, you can use it. And one more suggestion: if you decide to go visit, it's always better to do that in early morning or in afternoon, because it's so hot in Rhodes. It's about 11 hours now and it starts to be really hot. And of course cats. Even in most peaceful places in Greek islands you can always count on see some cats. So I just discovered that I stay in wrong mode on my camera, so from filming last night it stay in night mode, so hope this video will be enough quality for watching. So I just switched to standard mode, so but now we are already in much modern part of this village, and beautiful square with mosaic. So I think this will be it. Time to go back and use rest of the day for swimming. Maybe Kallithea Spring. Kallithea Spring is pretty close to so is it worth to visit? For me, definitely yes. It is close to Rhodes town, basically on the halfway between Rhodes and Faliraki, very close to Kallithea Springs. So if you are in mood for some hiking, walking, definitely will be good to visit this beautiful, peaceful Rhodean village. Koskinou. And some kind of football or basketball stadium. This village has everything. So thank you for watching, and hope you like this one. Hope you enjoy Rhodes and much more in the next days from beautiful Aegean Sea, Dodecannesus and Greece.